Are you a beer guy at all? Nice. Yeah, I kind of a beer fanatic. That's a fancy way of saying alcoholic. We got Scarface leading the pack on the KLR, and we do have a guest rider today. Oh shoot, oh shoot. The 500 taking on the trail. Man, that's a beastly bike. Sounds like, whoa, oh. Sounds like, oh shit. And roosting the poor WR. All right, you big bully KTM, I'm gonna have to make a pass here. Catch up to that good old KLR. I'll tell you what, anyone on a KLR, you're a good enough rider, you keep up with the best small bikes. Clear signs that you need to stand up. Ooh. Ow! Catching some roost to the forehead. Gotta keep my face shield down. My buddy's gonna roost me in the face. Oh man, so beautiful every time I go through here. Always really happy with this ride. Yeah, this is awesome. So I don't know if you're up for it, but I'll go first, and if you wanna tackle it, then you're more than welcome to. Ugh. I burped and farted at the same time right now. I'm ready to go.
Wow.
So the Butcher, he's only been in the dirt 4 times with this bike. I believe he said including this time. And he just killed that hill. He did a great job. Yeah. If you fall, don't fall into me. It's really the only rules. You can fall, just don't fall into me. Oh, look at the lake. Holy cow. What's going on, y'all? It's pretty. I've ridden this a lot of times. I don't know if I would take a car down it. I think it'd be too hard for you know, these type of off-road cars. I think this would be perfect for someone with a ton of ground clearance, but oh, when did I have garlic? Oh man, look at this. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's so sick. Dude, it is so torn up out here. Usually a lot of this is smooth. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, Scarface just tagged me in the face with a huge rock. Oh, thank God my shield was down. Oh, wow. Is my camera still there? Yeah, it is. Oh, dude. You see this? Oh, that's like right for my eye or cheek right here. Yeah, go ahead. Actually, you know what? You. There we go. With all the rocks and flying bugs out today, I don't even think I need lunch. Just open up my face shield and freaking get your fair share of winged protein. Yeah. This looks like fun. Good choice. Oh. Man, lucky. Lucky I get to ride in this area.